Then use the right lane to turn right on Merrimack Street. In 600 feet, use the left lane to turn left on Cambridge Street. In 900 feet, use the left two lanes to stay to the left to New Charting Street.
Your vehicle's moving along this freeway like it was made from fresh installs and a whole lot of love. And with eBay Motors, you get over 122 million parts to keep it running. And with eBay Guarantee, every time. Plus,
Stay to the left to New Charting Street.
keep your ride or die alive at ebaymotors.com. Eligible items only. Exclusions apply.
Cutwater brings the bar where you are. Bar quality cocktails in a can. Now you can enjoy a margarita or a Mai Tai whenever, wherever. Cutwater. Open the bar. Copyright 2023, Cutwater Spirits, San Diego, California. Enjoy responsibly.
The best part of a Ford truck is right behind the wheel. You. That's because strength is in your DNA. The 2024 Ford Maverick pickup is designed for those with a knack for creating. The type that want to be inspired for their side hustle every time they get in their truck. The 2024 Ford Maverick pickup has a flex-bed storage system with up to 10 available tie-downs, a 110-volt outlet, and multi-position tailgate. Attachers.
In 400 feet, use the middle lane to turn right to I-93 South, State Route 1A North, Quincy, Logan Airport.
But this time,
Then stay to the right.
look is part of the new
Turn right to I-93 South, State Route 1A North, Quincy, Logan Airport. Then use the right lane to stay to the right to I-93 South, Quincy.
With your choice of 10-piece McNuggets or a Big Mac, you'll get one of the flyest McNugget buddies to go with it. Think you can collect them all? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it.
At participating McDonald's for a limited time while supplies last.
It's Macy's Great Gift Sale. Take an extra 20% off gift ideas from designers they'll love with your coupon or Macy's card. That's on top
Watch out, accident reported ahead.
25 to 50% off. Beauty essentials from Origins, Elizabeth Arden, and more, 25 to 40% off. And the season's hottest toys, 15 to 50% off. Plus, everyone gets $10 Macy's money for every $50 spent. Now at Macy's. Savings off sale and clearance prices, exclusions apply.
The Enhanced American Express Business Gold Card is designed to take your business further. It's packed with features and benefits like flexible spending capacity that adapts to your business, 24/7 support from a business card specialist trained to help with your business needs.
Use the right lane to stay to the right to I-93 South, Quincy.
More flexible, that's the powerful backing of American Express. Terms apply. Learn more at americanexpress.com/businessgoldcard.
Come party at New England's #1 adult entertainment nightclub, the Foxy Lady, 318 Chalkstone Avenue, Providence. Start your Fridays off with a legs and eggs buffet. On Monday nights, come watch football and enjoy wings and beer specials. Tuesday nights, taco and tequila specials.
In a quarter of a mile, use the left three lanes to stay to the left to I-93 South.
Extravaganza. Get a free 6-month VIP card and complimentary buffet with paid admission. Doors open at 6 a.m.
Police reported ahead.
In the NBA, the game can change.
Stay to the left to I-93 South.
You know DraftKings Sportsbook has your back. This week, new customers can score 150 instantly in bonus bets just for betting $5 on Dallas.
Continue straight for 11 minutes to I-93 South, US 1 South toward I-95, Providence, Rhode Island.
Support. You can deposit and withdraw your cash whenever you want. Get in on the NBA action. Download the DraftKings Sportsbook app now and use
Police reported ahead.
150 instantly in bonus bets for betting just $5 on basketball. Only on DraftKings Sportsbook with code IHEART. The crown is yours. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER or visit 1-800-GAMBLER.net. 21 and over. Age varies by jurisdiction. Void in Ontario. Bonus bets expire 168 hours after issuance. See sportsbook.draftkings.com/basketball terms for eligibility and deposit restrictions, terms, and responsible gaming resources.
Making it to Wednesday is a win in itself, and Dunkin' thinks you deserve a reward. That's why every Wednesday, now through December, Dunkin' Rewards members get a free donut with drink purchase. So whether you like your midweek pick-me-up oozing with chocolate or filled with jelly, it's on us. because you deserve it. Save time and order ahead on the app with Dunkin' Rewards. Not a member? Join today. America runs on Dunkin'. Limit one classic donut per member for Wednesday. Terms and exclusions may apply. Participation may vary. Offer ends 12/27/2023.
Meet Nico Mini, the AI-powered robot for kids that's redefining learning. It's curious, expressive, and surprisingly empathetic. With math quizzes, spelling challenges, reading buddy, and critical thinking activities, Nico Mini is the perfect gift that makes the most of fun and curiosity. Ready to bring Nico Mini into your home this holiday? Visit Nico.ai to discover the magic today. Nico, ignite curiosity, endless fun.
Moderate to severe ulcerative colitis symptoms can be constant reminders of your condition.
Isn't yours bad?
My gut really hurts. Your main ABC, but Entyvio is. Entyvio has helped many patients achieve long-term relief and remission. It may help you too. Infusion and serious allergic reactions can happen during or after treatment. Entyvio may increase the risk of infection, which can be serious. Although unlikely, the risk of PML, a rare, serious, potentially fatal brain infection, cannot be ruled out. Tell your doctor if you have an infection, experience frequent infections, or have flu-like symptoms or sores. Liver problems can occur. Ask your doctor about Entyvio.
Gen X Radio.
Shoulder ahead.